Once the slave trade that know their lineage, they can come up. Yeah, we can join them. There are many here. They call their Waterloo. Waterloo. That's where they have the community, Igbo community.
Okay, Waterloo,
Yeah, Waterloo, Igbo
Waterloo,
community.
Sierra Leone. I did
Yeah,
not know that.
Waterloo. Yeah.
They've been there for several hundred years, or they're or recent. Uh, you said they came through slavery.
Yeah, from that time, they are there.
Wow,
They make their Igbo community.
wow. Are you serious?
Yeah, of course. So
Oh
just
my
to go
God.
there and organize them, talk to them,
Oh my
put them the
God.
way they understand, you know.
Oh wow.
So
Wow. Wow. I did not know that. I thought that was maybe they had left during Biafra War, or they've been there
no,
for
I think
200
during
years.
no, they have been there during the first following the slave trade.
Oh my God. Wow. Okay. Either way, wow. We got. Well, we have to.
Nation.
Wow. What we want to do then is we want to. You know how we do town union. We have president and correspondent and our own secretary who keeps the records. We can organize the whole country around that community because you know the government could come out to different
That is
things. Yeah, we just have to have the financial system ready, and we have to get the financial systems ready in USA. We have to discuss the financial plan. But this is a big news. I didn't know that. That was one of my
they are
concerns.
here. They are here.
That was my concern
They
that
are
you were the.
here.
I thought you were the only Igbo person around. That's why I was concerned. Okay.
The only the ones that even come after the war, the ones that even still coming here now, we are more than 1,000 here.
Wow. There's a one in Liberia
Yeah.
too, but I think it's youth. I don't know if they're serious or capable. I don't know the capacity, but I know that they're on Facebook. They're publicize themselves. So that's very
To
good.
join, to join, to
Hmm.
join, if there is anyone, to join them with Sierra Leone is a common thing.
Oh, they're calm. They do it a lot.
Yeah, they can join them together. Go here, speak to the Liberian people, come to speak to the guys there. We stay there for 1 2 days, gather meeting, then tell them our agenda and our meeting, our purpose of meeting. Then from there, Liberia will send 1 or 2 people to the Sierra Leone to come and also see here and convert. And from there,
And maybe I hope from different.
we'll go
It,
meeting.
there's
We
a
go on
place
video
that.
meeting.
What about other places around? The world? Because I've talked to some people, but I don't like to yell at people. That's not our way. But I was saying there's places like India that have a big, maybe 200 million people that want self determination. We have a no. There's we know we have a lot of liaisons. There's places I've discussed, but they never activated like you did. Some people didn't want to join the group,
Even in
and it's all right. But we'll move on this. I
Guinea, I think Equatorial Guinea, Equatorial Guinea,
hmm
Equatorial Guinea, Equatorial Guinea. The Igbo, they are speaking the Igbo language. Just itself,
and
Equatorial Guinea,
Gabon. I wanted
is the third largest. Is the third largest population in Equatorial Guinea.
hmm
In the Equatorial Guinea, Igbo language is the Igbo people is the third largest people there. They also in Equatorial Guinea. So you can travel from here to Equatorial Guinea and go and meet them, discuss with them, get one understanding, tell them where the situation and our plan and what we are the purpose of making us to come and meet them.
hmm
So all of us will get one understanding, then we all move together.
And Gabon too. Gabon has something called the Bantu civilizations, where they were supposed to unite all related tribes that came out of Biafra, the Bantu tribes, and the thing just fell
Okay?
apart because of politics. For 50 years, just fell apart.
Uh,
But all the tribes that come out of Biafra, Zulu, South Africa, Tanzania, it's in Gabon. But if you look at the the museum for the culture is nobody funded it, and now just squatters camp. It's just a squatters, but they had a plan in Gabon to unite all the Bantu tribes that came out of uh, Biafra region and Amazonia. But that's what we were talking about to Nnamdi Kanu. That's why he started traveling around Africa, and then they kidnapped him because he was trying to unite Africa around Biafra. And so
Okay.
you have to be careful. But I'm gonna talk. All I have to do is I have to talk to people in USA now. We might have a call in this group again, but it's I don't think it's likely because maybe the people in Trinidad they have to be they have I don't know what they want to do. They're not talking, so we have to move on. We have maybe 3 or 4 countries in the Caribbean that support us, so it's okay. It's very good. But I was trying to give them 2 headquarters for
Yeah.
every. I was trying to give them 6 headquarters, but if they, I have to change it now because some of them aren't talking, so it's okay. But I have to go now.
Okay.
Okay.
All right.
Thank you for all this information. I did not know all this. We're going to change the plan based on this information, and I got to talk to people in
Okay,
USA
sir.
now. Thank you.
So
All right.
take it that we
And
will travel
Bahamas.
to
I think
huh?
Bahamas. I think we have support in Bahamas and Ghana too. And Bahamas talks to Haiti a
Okay.
lot.
Okay.
So I don't know if
Just
you
tell
Ghana.
me. I will take care of. Huh?
You know Ghana. If northern Ghana, they have tribes related to Burkina Faso and the Sahel Alliance. So you know the Sahel Alliance. If they're talking security,
Even
they
in
know
Togo. Even in Togo.
if
Togo
they could
have it.
if they could get to Burkina Faso and the Sahel Alliance and tell them about Igbo people and Biafra, and we could make it a time to. If we get the kings on board, then we have that place. We have the Sahel Alliance with Ibrahim Traore and all these guys. So I was looking at Mali. We have ambassadors everywhere. That's why I hope they don't dismiss our ambassadors because we need them to engage the tribes there to support. Because if you look at Sahel Alliance, that's 3 countries.
Okay.
Your region, that's 4 countries. The Mano River Union. So they already have
Okay.
United States
The
in those regions.
only thing, only thing that I will do is this Sierra Leone and Liberia.
Mhm.
I'm capable of organizing the two together. Then, if we add the Equatorial
Sahel.
Guinea, then I feel travel to I feel travel to
Okay. There's a place called Gabon.
the very first.
Gabon is more. It has the institution that could cover maybe multiple countries. I think they have the Bantu Civilization
I
Center.
have person, I have somebody, I have somebody in Gabon. If to
Yeah,
contact him, then I'll contact him in Gabon.
yeah. They have an institution. I'll send it to you. It's called CICIBA, and the institution is a
Okay.
big. It's a big museum. It has elephant tusk in our the African tradition with elephant tusk, and it's made of
Okay.
stone. But they just turned it into a squatters camp because nobody in Africa wanted to fund or organize the traditional community. They wanted it was just politicians. They let it go to waste. But if you look at their map, they were supposed to come into Biafra and Cameroon, and everybody, the Bantu tribe, we say Igbandu or Madubuntu. Man, you talk about initiation. Uh,
Another one.
so
So,
it's all about tradition,
yeah.
and they let the politicians were supposed to fund it, and they didn't want to because they wanted all the power. They didn't want to go the traditional communities, they didn't want to give it to the meetings or fund the meetings. So the no, a lot of people don't know about it on the ground. But Gabon, I can send it to you.
So just
The-
do your work. Do your work. Do your work. I'll do my own here. When the time come
Okay,
here,
next I
because
think is
I'm planning to travel to Biafra land
yeah.
by this Christmas.
This was Trinidad support, but now we have to get I have to get USA and Bahamas and Haiti. And a lot of times people would quit because they don't know who's supposed to be participating. And when these communities they don't respond, people get discouraged. So I have to move on from Trinidad because there's no response. Maybe we do another call if they say something, but we have to move on because If you don't
Okay,
respond, that's
sir.
it's sabotage because you're confusing everybody. All right, I gotta go. Bye bye. All right, bye.